Welcome to Learn with Safi. Java String and Exception Handling Interview Questions and Answers. Exception Handling Interview Questions. What is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism that is used to handle runtime errors. It is used primarily to handle checked exceptions. Exception handling maintains the normal flow of the program. There are mainly two types of exceptions, checked and unchecked. Here, the error is considered as the unchecked exception. According to Oracle, there are three types of exceptions: checked exception, unchecked exception, error. What is the base class for error and exception? The throwable class is the base class for error and exception. Is it necessary that each try block must be followed by a catch block? It is not necessary that each try block must be followed by a catch block. It should be followed by either a catch block or a finally block. So whatever exceptions are likely to be thrown should be declared in the throws clause of the method. What is finally block? The finally block is used to execute the important code of the program. It is executed whether an exception is handled or not. Can finally block be used without a catch? Yes, according to the definition of finally block, it must be followed by a try or catch block. Therefore, we can use try block instead of catch. Is there any case when finally will not be executed? Finally block will not be executed if program exits either by calling system.exit or by causing a fatal error that causes the process to abort. Can an exception be rethrown? Yes, an exception can be rethrown. Can subclass overriding method declare an exception if parent class method doesn't throw an exception? Yes, but only unchecked exception, not checked. What is exception propagation? An exception is first thrown from the top of the stack, and if it is not caught, it drops down the call stack to the previous method. If not caught there, the exception again drops down to the previous method, and so on until they are caught or until they reach the very bottom of the call stack. This procedure is called exception propagation. By default, checked exceptions are not propagated. String handling interview questions. What is the meaning of immutable regarding string? The simple meaning of immutable is unmodifiable or unchangeable. In Java, string is immutable. That is, once string object has been created, its value can't be changed. Why are the objects immutable in Java? Because Java uses the concept of the string literal. Suppose there are 5 reference variables, all refer to one object skin. If one reference variable changes the value of the object, it will be affected by all the reference variables. That is why string objects are immutable in Java. Why Java uses the concept of the string literal? To make Java more memory efficient, because no new objects are created if it exists already in the string constant pool. How can we create an immutable class in Java? We can create an immutable class by defining a final class having all of its members as final. What is the purpose of toString method in Java? The toString method returns the string representation of an object. If you print any object, Java compiler internally invokes the toString method on the object. So overriding the toString method returns the desired output. It can be the state of an object, etc. depending upon your implementation. By overriding the toString method of the object class, we can return values of the object, so we don't need to write much code. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell.